shit's swirling right above my house. I'm talking about it's swirling. You can see it. It's going round in circles.
How much is like drop?
I can't see because raindrops keep hitting me in the eyeballs.